Are you all ready to listen to my news? Final pouches are here. They look so good. We gave birth to Ishan. The Sabrina chose.
we gave birth.
What a dharmic child I've been since I was born. This brand has grown so much in your eyes. It's a very, very big milestone. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Also Hustle with Sarah, where you and I, we hustle together. It's 9:20. I'm way too early to my working hours and I'm so sleepy. Like I could sleep for 2 days straight. That's how much sleep I need and I'm in sleep debt. But today is the day the Jokharia is coming back. So I'm going to take a long lunch break and go and surprise him ghar pe because he has no idea that I'm going to be at home. He thinks I'm at work and I'm sending the driver uncle to pick him up at the airport, which is very unusual because it's our tradition that I always go to pick him up at the airport. So I'm breaking that tradition to surprise him ghar pe so that thoda different karenge. So we will finish work, take a long lunch break, go see him ghar pe lunch ke liye. He's already boarded the flight from Guwahati. Tomorrow also we are going for an IPL match with Plum. We are going for an IPL match for Mumbai Indians, which is why he's coming. He's not coming for him, he's coming for cricket. गाइस काम तो बहुत ज़्यादा था, मैं लेट हो गई हूँ निकलने के लिए. आई थॉट मैं रीत के लिए कुछ लूँगी बट कुछ लेने का तो टाइम नहीं है. आई ऑलरेडी सेंड ड्राइवर अंकल टू पिक हिम अप फ्रॉम द एयरपोर्ट. ही इज लैंडेड ऑल्सो. ही इज गोइंग टू बी पिक्ड अप फ्रॉम द एयरपोर्ट ऑल्सो. आई एम गोइंग टू सरप्राइज हिम घर पे. लेट हो गई मैं बट आई डोंट थिंक रीत पहुँचेगा घर पे इतना जल्दी. आई होप नॉट. फजी कम ऑन फजी. हु इज दैट? आई एम हियर. वेयर यू गोइंग? तो कंफ्यूज है ये बच्चा. आ जा जल्दी आ. Dad is coming, Fiji. Let's go. Dad is coming home. Fiji. My बच्चा misses his father the most. Hello. Hi.
I knew you were here. There's no way that Fudgy is going to be alone. But then I wanted to get flowers. But then I thought, what if he akele? I forgot my bag as well in the car. Kedar only I came in so fast.
Which bag? Bag. Kedar is down, na?
No, he went to the office. Because you said कि office में है. वाह.
So who sent him to the office? First you hug me. I have come on my lunch break.
Fudgy, happy? Happy? I got him in the auto. He was at mummy's house. How I've rushed through my meetings. I know मेरे को काम.
90% I was sure that you're in the house, but then that 10% कि ये अकेला होगा. That's why I came. I wanted to get flowers and everything, but
Even I want to get flowers, but I thought you'll reach and then the surprise will be useless.
surprise will be useless. No, I knew. I was like, there is no way that Fudge अकेले होगा. The minute you said कि Fudge अकेला, I'm like, yeah, okay. Why is
I had to say Fudge अकेला है because Ritu was otherwise going to come to office to meet me. और मैं इधर और वो ऑफिस में होता है, इसलिए I said कि घर पे Fudge अकेला है, तो he could come home.
Look at the happiest boy in the world. He's got his dada. Now he's content. He's not even moving an inch. I have to tell you something.
what?
Are you ready for it? Impulse Coffees का ट्रेडमार्क मिल गया.
अरे कैसे मिला?
I know, right? अभी कॉल आया. अभी literally अभी. Can you believe it? पूजा के बर्थडे के दिन मिला है.
चलो nice. चलो thank God. Now you don't have to change names or anything.
Nothing.
You know how much we fought for this?
Yeah, I know.
The amount of money I have put behind lawyers to get the trademark 4 years later of running the brand. You know who was constantly objecting it? Those Pulse Candy people.
हाँ पता है.
Pulse Candy was like Impulse. I'm like, and then finally got it. In fact, the judge also said कि तुमको मौका पे चौका वगैरह का भी ट्रेडमार्क लगा लेना चाहिए because तुम्हारा नाम यूनिक है.
लगा लो.
Fudgy mama got Impulse Coffee's trademark.
Later that same evening.
Are you all ready to listen to my news? Impulse Coffees का ट्रेडमार्क मिल गया अपने को. 5 साल बाद.
ये
TM को अभी R कर सकते हैं अपन।
नहीं TM ना, अभी तक R था, अभी TM ना।
R तो बाद में हो जाता है, रजिस्ट्रेशन के बाद R होता है, पहले TM डालते हैं लोग।
अच्छा, मैं TM आज डाली।
TM में रजिस्टर हो गया तो रजिस्टर R डाल सकते हैं।
ये
कौन सी कैप पहनने वाले हो तुम कल? मुंबई इंडियंस के लिए क्या कैप?
Cap I'm not wearing until tomorrow.
No?
No, I'm not wearing until cap tomorrow.
क्या बहुत गर्मी का वो तो है।
नहीं, but uncle फिर पसीना नहीं, फिर वो नहीं होगा ना. The match will start at 7:30.
Right.
And we are not sitting in this. We are sitting in a proper chamber like this.
VIP stand, VIP stand.
sequence nights have
Hey,
started
तुम्हारी
again
केवल-
because Reet is मम्मी का yawn देखो guys, yawn of the whole life.
The next morning.
Good morning guys, I have just cut my fringes because मेरा shoot है और मेरे fringes बहुत लंबे और unequal हो गए थे, तो I decided to cut them early in the morning now before shoot. और अब वो सेट नहीं हो रहे, अभी इनको सेट करना मुश्किल है, नामुमकिन नहीं है, मुश्किल है. I have a skincare shoot, then I have a tech brand shoot, and then we are going for IPL. We are going for IPL because Plum Goodness has given us tickets to go watch Mumbai Indians versus CSK. So as you heard my dad and Reet talk, and literally Reet has come back for the match, and also because CSK versus Mumbai Indians is going to be quite the match. It's currently 9:35. It's too early morning to start a shoot. तो मेरी इतनी जल्दी शूट करने की आदत गई है. ये लिटिल बिट ऑफ कर्लिंग क्रीम ऐसे लेती हूँ, लगा देती हूँ एंड्स पे, पूरे ये स्ट्रैंड्स पे, एंड जितना बचता है आई पुट इट ऑन द लेफ्ट ओवर हेयर सो दैट इट डजंट फ्रिज अप बिकॉज वी आर डूइंग एन आउटडोर सेगमेंट आल्सो. देयर इज वन आउटडोर सेगमेंट एंड रेस्ट इज इंडोर्स. एंड नाउ वंस आई टेक दिस आई एम गोइंग टू कैच द एंड इनसाइड, कीप वन फिंगर हियर एंड देन ऐसे. Look at me trying to give a tutorial for hair that I am not able to set because abhi baal kaate. Yeah. Once you get a grip, you roll and then you hold and then you remove this finger and voila. So beautiful. Janu, I need people to stare at me in the morning. आप लोग की स्क्रिप्ट में शरण ने लिखी है that people are staring at me because my skin is glowing so much. And then what's the secret?
Oh God.
Sharon, we should take sunglasses also. It would add to the mystery factor. See what a beautiful curl. Lovely. And if you want, you can diffuse also these. इम्पल्स कॉफीज का ट्रेडमार्क मिल गया.
What are you saying? When so crazy you're discussing this?
Yes.
When?
कल.
Yes.
Yes.
As you're discussing this कि कैसे करेंगे, कैसे क्या होगा, कैसे झगड़ा करेंगे, कैसे
या कितना और लॉयर को देना पड़ेगा. Where the frame is the same, मतलब you know I move from one frame to the other. जहाँ backgrounds बदल दे.
हाँ,
पर ये
हाँ,
साउथ बॉम्बे नहीं है तो backgrounds इतने कुछ खास तो मिलेंगे. मैच कट वाला या तो वो कर सकते हैं, या तो आई एम वॉकिंग एंड पीपल आर मूविंग बिहाइंड मी, बट रेलवे स्टेशन नहीं है, सो इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू बी सो डायनामिक. लाइक अभी मॉर्निंग
स्लो शटल भी कर सकते हैं, वाली आप वॉकिंग तभी भी हम कर सकते हैं थोड़ा सा.
मस्त से भजिए पकोड़े की स्मेल आ रही है, मैं खाने गया.
That is not what we came here for. But
जलेबी फाफड़ा आई कैन स्मेल.
एक है ना सिर्फ यहाँ से वॉकिंग का पेयर कर सकते हैं.
ओके. सारा स्क्वाड की जय.
yes.
कहीं भी नहीं मिल रहा. ये लास्ट शॉट है वीडियो का.
ओके.
अभी मैं पूरा एंड में है. मैं स्किन केयर रूटीन वगैरह सब दे दी हूँ और अभी ये बोलेगी गर्ल ड्रॉप योर रूटीन और मैं बोलूँगी हेड टू मिंत्रा.
One eternity later.
हो गया ऑलरेडी मेरा ये माल 30th के बाद आएगा, तब मैं तेको बुलाऊंगी एक दिन और अपन वापस एक वीडियो लेंगे इसका अलग से. और अपन खाली ना टेयरिंग शॉट तो तभी वन मे बी योर हैंड्स विल बी वेरी सिमिलर टू जीज हैंड्स, सो वी विल हैव टू डू थोड़ा जुगाड़ एंड टेक दोस टेयरिंग एंड मेकिंग शॉट्स अगेन विद आवर न्यू पैकेजिंग एंड स्टिच देम इनटू जीज वीडियो
ओके.
इन द Amazon वीडियो एंड सब. दैट स्टिचिंग वर्क विल हैव टू बी डन वन डे.
अब इसमें ना
goods are here. Mal is here. Guys, finally कल shoot है और आज मेरा shoot का मेरे final pouches are here. They look so good. Oh my god. I'm so happy. This is going to be very tough to shoot, by the way. Dent देख ले तू अभी से. पर रख लो बिना crease लगाए. मेरे पास बहुत limited packaging है. Look so pretty. Look. Handle with care.
AI कर लो AI में कर लो
वीडियो कैसे AI में कर लूं? वीडियो तो शूट करना है. स्ट्रॉबेरी दिखाओ आपको. इसके अंदर 5 पाउच है. गौचली तो अपना ऑलरेडी सोल्ड आउट है. बहुत क्यूट आया है. बहुत ही क्यूट आया है. हाँ मेरा बनने नहीं, मैं रो ही मालूम है. कैलकाटा नहीं आने वाला था. ये सिर्फ इतने ही पाउच रेडी है. बाकी हमारे 25 तारीख को आ रहा है. ये बस आप किसी और को दे दो. 4 दिन पहले शूट के. क्या वेरी क्यूट, वेरी कॉम्पैक्ट ऑल्सो.
Many hours later.
Okay, it's time to get ready for IPL. जिस चीज के लिए रीत आया है, he has come only for the Mumbai Indians match. Clearly,
Ishan's birthday.
I was going to say clearly has no interest in me. Doesn't come for me. He's come for Ishan's birthday and for the Mumbai Indians match. So we are going because Plum Goodness has invited us, and they are the official skincare partner for Mumbai Indians. This is the cute merch that Plum has sent because they are the official skincare partner of Mumbai Indians. Such a cute top. It says play with chemistry, and we've got our hats that also says play with chemistry and has Plum's branding at the back. And this cute bag is perfect to carry all the things that we need. So ये सारा, and there's this cute towel also. I don't think I'll be carrying the towel, of course. धूप तो होगी but शाम को जा रहे हैं हम, आराम से जा रहे हैं. We are not going एकदम जल्दी, like we're leaving at 4:35. So it's fine. I mean it won't be sunny. I'm still figuring out कि हमको like मम्मी पापा भी आ रहे हैं. By the way, my mom and dad also got a chance to attend the match. Plum people are so sweet and the Plum team is the sweetest. It's such a beautiful opportunity and my dad really wanted to go watch the match in the stadium in Wankhede. IPL is such a big deal in India, right? Like growing up, I used to not watch cricket, but पप्पा मुझे cricket बैठ के दिखाते थे, especially IPL, because IPL का वो जब season आता है तो सब लोग इतने excite हो जाते हैं and सब लोग everybody wants to watch it and etc. So my dad has shown me so many matches and he really wanted to watch it in the stadium. So I and Reet तो had tickets because we are influencers, तो हमको मिल गई थी. But then I asked the Plum team के mom and dad को भी, मतलब dad को आना है, mom को इतना interest नहीं है but dad को आना है. And then they were like, yeah, mom and dad can also come. So Plum team, the sweetest. It's such a beautiful opportunity. I'm so excited to take my parents. Actually, mom and dad also getting ready at their house. So I'm gonna film a get ready with me for Instagram. We both are actually. Rest in peace, my beautiful merchandise, because I was drinking coffee and somebody pushed me while shooting my get ready with me and मेरा end में पूरा सत्यानाश हो गया. मैं लास्ट अपनी 5 बजे की कॉफी पी रही थी इधर बैठ के आराम से, and now I've changed into this basic white t-shirt. I'm so sad that I can't wear the merchandise, but let's go enjoy the match nonetheless. Reet is ready. I've just done basic skincare, but I'm carrying my makeup to do it in the car if I feel like it. You're not coming. You're not allowed. Dogs are allowed to watch cricket live. Will you understand? Guys, this is my final fit. I'm wearing a denim jacket because I don't have good white tops, and my jeans भी थोड़ी loose हो गई है अभी. Guys, our beautiful tickets are here. Are you excited, Mama?
Yes.
I'm so excited to see the match in VIP stand for the first time in my life. 58 years mein first time, Sara, in your Raj. In my Raj I
I was so
couldn't do.
excited from morning. I was excited.
Sachin भी आएगा.
है ना?
Yeah.
उसका
My
birthday
favorite
है ना?
Sachin is also coming today.
Today Sachin will be in the stands.
And most probably hope that Dhoni also
Dhoni
will get to see.
will play. I think.
Yeah.
There is a chance he'll play.
And that also in the VIP cabin. Can you believe it? And it's all credit to Sara and Reet because they both are influencers and we've got also, you know, a complete package. 2 पे 2 free ऐसा वो हाल है हम लोग का. So it's yeah. Thanks to Sara and Reet. We also
Official job.
ये रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो रहा है. ये सब ये रिकॉर्ड ही नहीं हो रहा है. मम्मी का
नहीं करो.
रीत और मम्मी एक्सपर्ट है नॉन रिकॉर्ड बटन दबा के बात करने के लिए.
It's recording only.
Both of them are like this only. Reet has missed so many good life moments by saying जानू रिकॉर्ड हो रहा था बटन नहीं
माइंड
दबा
में
था.
रिकॉर्ड करते हैं भाई हम लोग ऐसे आर्टिफिशियल रिकॉर्ड नहीं करते कुछ भी.
आर्टिफिशियल रिकॉर्ड होता है कुछ भी बोलती है मेरी माँ.
Mind में we record in the mind.
Button दबाओ.
So guys, I'm very excited today to go to the IPL to watch the IPL match for the first time live.
In VIP stand.
या VIP stand और कार भी बम्प हो रहा है तो वीडियो भी बम्प हो जाएगा तो
अभी
don't mind it.
प्लीज आप सिर्फ टिकट मुझे दे दो मम्मी, बाकी तुम कंटिन्यू योर व्लॉग क्योंकि टिकट बहुत
And
इम्पोर्टेंट
don't
है.
mind, 2 पे 2 फ्री मिला है, हम लोग जा रहे हैं खुशी खुशी, एटलीस्ट फैमिली आउटिंग हो जाएगा. मैच देखो कि नहीं देखो बट so Reet came only to watch the match and for Ishan's birthday, and tomorrow is Ishan's birthday. I'm so excited for his birthday. I can't imagine.
Fun
that
fact,
bachcha of
fun
mine has
fact.
become 5 years old, you know. I really feel like crying, you know.
डोंट क्राई,
I
अभी
missed
मेकअप
his-
किया ना तुमने.
Yes.
You
I'm
missed
not
his
crying.
childhood, you're saying?
Yes.
अरे no, they grow up.
इससे
You are the
ज्यादा
one who never missed his childhood, okay?
इससे ज्यादा किसी का चाइल्डहुड नहीं जी सकती हो मम्मी तो. You know guys, fun fact, we gave birth to Ishan. मतलब Sabrina chose.
We gave birth to Ishan.
It was yes, all
Community बच्चा है.
शाबाश
Community बच्चा है.
शाबाश सबरीना अश्विन किधर हो
this
सुनो इधर
was
क्या क्या
a
बोला
planned delivery on Sachin Tendulkar's birthday. Do you know that? My Jiju is such a big cricket fan.
Yeah,
Sabrina का
so
due date
good.
था ही. Yeah, so they planned his
They
delivery.
planned because it was Ashwin was-
Sachin Tendulkar's birthday. Can you
Yes.
imagine?
You also think of a good date, huh?
And deliver.
December,
No,
Jesus
and
birthday.
conceive like this so that you deliver on a good date. Mummy
I
को
was a
साजिश देखो.
December child, you know. That is why I went for a second child. Ki I'll have a December baby, but unfortunately you came in January.
January is like the peak privilege. First month of the year I was born. Mummy,
मैं तो Saturday दूसरा दिन था and I also did not get the labor pain. I went to the doctor. I said no, now I don't want a Saturday baby because I knew your dad was such a annoying character. So I said Friday को चलेगा पर Saturday को नहीं चाहिए मुझे. Saturday baby because he was born on a Saturday and his mother used to complain all her life that he was a troublesome child. तो मैं
now
बोला,
you
वो
also
risk तो मैं
complained
ले ही
all my life that I was troublesome.
Yeah, you were then. वही डेस्टिनी थी कि तुम सैटरडे को ही शायद पैदा होती.
Saturday को हुई थी मैं.
हाँ?
Friday, you were
Friday. Proper, I came on Jumma namaz only, 1:30. What a dharmic child I've been since I was born.
Ironic ना.
Match has started. We are a little late because बहुत traffic. गाड़ी नहीं, हाँ आपको इधर ही छोड़ना.
यहीं पे छोड़ दो
मैं क्रॉस करता हूँ.
गेट ये वाला है क्या हमारा?
अंदर जाना पड़ेगा आपको.
ओके ठीक है.
चल के अंदर जाना पड़ेगा.
Back this year not taking. No?
This gate is here. विकेट गया है लगता है. इन लोग बजा रहे कुछ तो. भागो भागो. मम्मी बोलती है बुढ़ा जवान हो गया पापा को. go. Papa's so excited. Oh my god, I've never been to a stadium before. Wow. I've never been to a live match. कैसे घुसने का उधर? What seats? Oh my god. This is our seat. And वहाँ मैच हो रहा है. वाह. That's Surya Kumar Yadav right there.
हार्दिक पांड्या
किधर है हार्दिक पांड्या? Oh yeah. रीत इज अ धोखेबाज मुंबई इंडियंस सपोर्टर.
This is the one जिसने खड़े खड़े हराया था इंडिया को T20 वर्ल्ड कप. इंडिया लॉस्ट अगेंस्ट
वो जो चेन्नई में है वो.
Yeah,
रीत इज सपोर्टिंग चेन्नई. इज अ धोखेबाज मुंबई कर. नॉट अ मुंबई कर. आरसीबी इसकी कोई क्रिकेट टीम नहीं है. कौन है?
राजस्थान रॉयल्स का होम ग्राउंड इज गुवाहाटी. Check. You don't believe me? Check. Yeah. Rajasthan Royals का home ground is Guwahati. How does it feel?
बैक टू बैक 2-4 लगे हैं और एक छक्का. CSK is now picking up. संजू को नहीं दिस. संजू को नहीं.
ऑफ हो जाएगी सेंचुरी ना.
Let's see. I hope deserves a century.
बुमराह आ गया, अभी संजू का विकेट जाएगा, समझे. बुमराह की बॉलिंग.
Brilliant ball that was. Everyone was done short. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom.
It's a treat to watch Bumrah play live. Where is my झंडा, bro? Bring out my झंडा. छोड़ दिया? छोड़ दिया?
What a catch! What a catch!
बोल ही दिया विकेट जाएगी. बुमराह आया, विकेट जाएगी.
What an over, man! Wow, 2 runs and a wicket. क्या over डाला?
What a brilliant one that was. There's 2 runs and 1 wicket for it. 166 for 5. To begin.
एक विकेट तो लेगा बुमराह. Come on, let's go baby, let's go.
डबल लेना भाई, आराम से आता है.
तुम बोल क्या उसको? जाने का तुम.
संजू सैमसन स्ट्राइक पे हो गया.
अभी संजू सैमसन स्ट्राइक पे है ना. देखो, दैट वाज द प्लान बुमराह का. यू नो, ही इज सो स्मार्ट, ही इज सो वाइज. अभी देखना विकेट जाएगा. मैं बोल रही हूँ.
बुमराह तो ऐसा बॉल दबाता है, प्रेस करता है जैसा उसको प्रेस करके बॉल डालता है.
बुमराह 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 बुमराह. ये लास्ट ओवर है. 200 नहीं होएगा. नहीं होएगा. अभी ये ओवर में तो बुमराह ने लगा दी. एक ही रन हो रहा है.
लास्ट ओवर हार्दिक पांड्या का है, सो आई थिंक हो सकता है. हार्दिक पांड्या रन तो देगा. नो बॉल, फ्री हिट. चल संजू, कम ऑन. What a shot! What a shot! What a shot! What a shot! Yeah!
गाइस 200 हो गए संजू का. अभी सेंचुरी भी हो जाएगा. होएगा कि नहीं सेंचुरी? लास्ट है ओवर है ना. लास्ट बॉल है कि लास्ट 2 बॉल है. संजू का सेंचुरी होएगा.
Last ball, uncle.
लास्ट बॉल. रीत ने दोस्त बना लिया है. हो गया, सेंचुरी हो गई. सनस्टॉर्म बोल रहे हैं. मम्मी की बहन. बाय बाय, सी यू, बाय बाय. You know who met me in the bathroom? CSK's captain's wife, Ruturaj Gaikwad, and she's like, I love your coffees. She's like, I love your coffees. Raat ki Rani espresso is my favorite. Even Rutu loves it. I didn't know only. This one's told me the captain. I'm like, this is the VIP box. Very good food and all is there. Mummy, Papa, सब खा रहे. रीत ने आइसक्रीम भी ले ली है उसकी. Yes, बच्चा. You don't have to justify to me. पहला विकेट ही गया. मुंबई इंडियंस का. Oh my God. मुंबई नाक कटाने वाली 0 पे विकेट गया है. दूर गए.
बॉलिंग साइड अच्छा नहीं है लोग का. क्या बात करता है यार.
पहले ओवर में 2 विकेट गई. Shit. Oh my God. तुम क्या बोले? बॉलिंग अच्छी नहीं है उन लोग की.
They were not bowling well. अभी आज अचानक से I don't know what.
ये विकेट गई.
हम भी खुश हो जाते हैं गाइस. CSK वाले अपनी कॉफी पीते हैं. अपने को खुश होना चाहिए. यहाँ पे हालात बदल गए, जज्बात बदल गए गाइस। मुंबई की जर्सी और चेन्नई का फ्लैग चल रहा है। मैच इज वेरी वन साइडेड राइट नाउ। इट कैन चेंज दो। आई एम होपिंग पांड्या इज द मिरेकल।
Both of them are also very capable of changing the game. Very good batsmen, both of them.
I've realized with staying with this one and watching all these sports, how hard it must be for all these people. Like we are watching them live, people are watching them on TV, people are announcing stuff. It must be such a challenging job to have. हम तो कैमरा के पीछे बैठे हुए डरे रहते हैं, ये लोग को तो परफॉर्म करना है। Crazy. विकेट गई। पप्पा इज लाइक गई भैंस पानी में।
गई भैंस पानी में।
अच्छा चलो पानी पी के आते। तुम रहो अपने CSK के साथ खुश।
Guys, right, मुंबई के पूरे इनिंग्स में सिर्फ एक ही छक्का लगा है, जो क्विंटन डिकॉक ने शुरुआत में मारा था।
पांड्या तो आके आउट हो गया। मेरे को पांड्या से बहुत उम्मीद थी। क्या कैच किया है। आई मिस दैट। आई वेंट टू ईट समथिंग। आई वाज हंग्री।
Ask them to finish it faster. खत्म करो।
बदतमीज आदमी को हमने असम से क्यों बुलाया? बदतमीज है।
मरे हुए को कितना मारोगे?
हमको इधर मुंबई इंडियंस को सपोर्ट करने के लिए भेजा था प्लम वालों ने। तुमको इसलिए उन्होंने असम से उड़ के बुलाया है।
See, whenever Mumbai played a good shot and all, I've said that.
He's like ऐसी स्लो करते रहो रन, ऐसी करो, ऐसी करो। He's been cheering for CSK only. लोग जा रहे घर, लोग छोड़ के जा रहे गाइस। बेहुदा हरकतें हो रही है यहाँ पे तो। सूर्य कुमार यादव भी आउट।
अभी आप बताओ 100 होगा कि नहीं, बताओ अभी आप।
100 भी हार्ड लग रहा है।
87 पे 7 नहीं होगा। अच्छा ओके, चलो we'll see.
जिंदगी का पहला एक्सपीरियंस भी एकदम फ्लॉप हो गया। एकदम रोना आ रहा है।
नहीं तुम खुश हो जाओ। चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स का वो अपना कॉफी पीता है ना, तो फिर अपन चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स को सपोर्ट करते हैं। अभी तुम पार्टी बदल दो। हालात बदल गए, जज्बात बदल गए, टीम बदल दो।
ऐसा नहीं होता ना। मुंबई हो
ऑल आउट होने वाले हैं गाइस। इतना बुरा तो आई हैव नेवर सीन एनीबॉडी। ये हम आए इसलिए ऐसा हो रहा है।
नहीं समझ। We are lucky for CSK.
ये लकी से CSK।
अभी तक इतना खराब बॉलिंग था उनका। टुडे ऑल ऑफ अ सडन व्हाट दे हैव डन, गॉड।
पापा जर्सी पहनने वाले थे, नहीं पहने। अच्छा हुआ क्योंकि नाउ वे CSK सपोर्टर्स। सारे मुंबई इंडियंस खाली हो गए। स्टैंड पे से CSK वाले ही पेंडिंग है। ओह धोनी's wife is also here. We are leaving. Are we leaving?
Yeah, let's go.
Because very obviously CSK has won. Bumrah. Yeah, 2 ballers are batting, so it's not gonna work out.
Later that same evening.
मुंबई इंडियंस ऑल आउट हो गई तो हमने छोड़ दिया। मम्मी बड़ी डिसअपॉइंटेड है, जैसे मम्मी बहुत टाइम से उनको सपोर्ट कर। आज फ्रेश क्रिकेट फैन बन के
मैंने कितने सालों के बाद क्रिकेट देखी हूँ, लाइव क्रिकेट।
लाइव क्रिकेट तो लाइफ में पहली बार
देखी हूँ, बट मतलब क्रिकेट एक्चुअली
क्रिकेट भी देखी।
3 घंटा वेस्ट की मेरा। मैं माम एडिट का कितना कंटेंट बना सकती थी घर पर। नो
हम परशा दरबार आए हैं चिकन खाने के लिए। And Reet is very happy because CSK has won.
The next day.
Good morning guys, it's pretty busy in the Sara Squad home because today is the shoot, the official shoot of our guilt-free iced teas. ये shoot हमने किया ही नहीं है, right? अभी तक we were only dealing with the mock-ups and AI videos and everything because our product had not come due to the Gulf War. We were facing packaging issue and literally कल मेरा final product आया जो आपने देखा, जो आज shoot है। तो final product आ गया, तो final product के साथ we can of course shoot, we will shoot. I got one comment asking on Instagram why you only doing AI content and not real content. For pre-orders we decided to do AI content because we wanted to start taking pre-orders. It really helps us understand the volume and interest of our consumers because the brand has grown a lot mashallah in the 1 year. तो लास्ट ईयर की जो आइस टी की डिमांड है ना, उससे हमने 20% प्रोजेक्शन लेके मंगाया था, बट वो भी प्री ऑर्डर में सोल्ड आउट है। तो ऑलरेडी द कस्टमर बेस ऑफ द ब्रांड हैज ग्रोन क्वाइट अ लॉट, सो द प्रोजेक्शंस आर नॉट परफेक्ट लाइक। एंड मुझे 20% से ज्यादा मैं मंगा नहीं सकती बिकॉज आई एम बूटस्ट्रैप्ड, आई डोंट हैव एक्सेस कैश टू इन्वेस्ट लाइक, एंड व्हाट इफ इट डजंट गो वेल, राइट? सो प्री ऑर्डर्स ऑलवेज गिव्स यू अ जजमेंट दैट ओके दिस इज द डिमांड ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, सो वी कैन नाउ फेज आउट द फर्स्ट लॉन्च का ऑर्डर प्रॉपर्ली। सो दैट्स डन। गुआवा चिली लाइक आई सेड इन प्री ऑर्डर वाज ऑलरेडी सोल्ड आउट। स्ट्रॉबेरी close to being sold out, but not yet sold out, and we only do pre-orders on our website, no paid marketing, nothing. अब से सब शुरू होगा, एक बार लॉन्च हो जाए इंशाल्लाह, कल लॉन्च हो जाएगा, then everything will start. Your ads on Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, Meta, Google, YouTube, ChatGPT ads has also come, so I was going to figure that out also. Not for iced tea, maybe for coffees and influencer, everything, like the whole wave. So that's how we're structuring it, and we'll have of course a lot more quantum coming in basis the marketing scale also being considered. तो वैसे इन्वेंट्री की प्लानिंग मार्केटिंग के साथ हाथ में हाथ जाती है. एंड yeah, I'm having Raat Ki Rani espresso today because you know it's that day when you're having Raat Ki Rani espresso. Okay guys, hair is gonna take a while. Oh, I didn't tell you all, I didn't give you all context. Today's shoot, we've also, by the way, this is our first time shooting with an influencer who's not me. We've called Zelocity. He's a nutritionist cum influencer, and I've watched his content and I really like his content. Really like his nutrition guidance also. And I reached out to him on Instagram if he would like to partner with us for the iced teas. I already had sent him samples in the sampling phase. He was involved in the whole sampling phase also. And he's going to be the face of the launch with me. So he's coming from Dehradun. We've flown him down. He stays in Dehradun, but he's come from Delhi. He's staying in a hotel over here only, and he's gonna come at 9 o'clock for the shoot. So really excited. So nice to work with other creators for my brand because it's a dream come true. Truly, like this brand has grown so much in your eyes. It's crazy. इसीलिए वो सीरम काम नहीं कर रहा, क्योंकि मैं भी ना इतने दिन से डाइसन कर रही हूँ तो मेरे को अच्छा नहीं इफेक्ट आ रहा है. So I've been wondering what is it. Now I know.
The serum, because it adds a layer to your hair, so heat नहीं पकड़ पाता है फिर hair.
Okay. Today, Dinkle is on a clock and she's having a hard time styling my hair.
Guys, don't put serum before coating your hair.
Yeah. Actually, you know, I work with one more hairstylist, Preksha, and she always tells me not to put mask also.
Yeah, don't.
Don't
Never.
put conditioner, mask also.
Yeah. Conditioner a little is fine because your hair is too dry if you don't put that. But mask and heavy nourishment nahi before coating.
मैंने तो हेयर मास्क भी लगाया.
Sure, Sara, sure. Thanks.
I was
So
so
helpful.
2 बजे रात को हम घर आए और मैं नहाने गई तो फिर I was so absent minded. अरे इसलिए तो कल तेरे को शरण ने कॉल की.
12 बजे रात को.
हमको याद है कि हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट बुक नहीं, और मेरे बाल कौन बनाएगा सुबह सुबह, मैं उठ के नहीं करने वाली हूँ. That's when I was like, hair, we need hair. And that's why I called you at 7:30. I was like, jaldi is better than...
Yeah, no good. Otherwise, so we wouldn't have finished one.
Yeah. Hello, what's up? Good morning. Where's your friend?
Or she didn't come. So interestingly, so the friend I was staying with, they already have the Impulse coffees at home. And they loved the, so my friend's brother, he loved the cranberry flavor. Yeah,
Chocolate raspberry.
Raspberry flavor. Oh, he loved it. He's like, I'm having it every day.
Oh my
And
god.
apparently, you guys have sent a package to his fiance,
Okay.
Reha.
Probably.
Yeah. So like that's how they also live in having it, and they loved it.
Yeah.
They're like, तुम इनके साथ मत करो.
Wow. Amazing. I
That was
love
actually a
it.
very wholesome moment.
Yeah.
Have a look at that.
Yeah, please. That has sugar. People love it, but I'm planning to launch a sugar-free version this year in the winters. This is a very old product. One of our first years. So now our packaging is changing. Like if you'll see, this is old. Now this is my newest product. Like this is giving us max conversions to jars because people get to try all of
So it's
the...
like a mix of
Ha.
all like
Correct.
coffee.
Yeah.
Nice. Interesting.
10 flavors, 30 sachets. And you get 10 in this.
Wow, you got pineapple flavored coffee. That's amazing.
So the coffee in this and the one you get in the jar is the same formulation.
okay.
That is a different formulation.
This is spray dried.
Okay.
That's freeze dried. We are known for actually freeze dried only.
Okay.
But you know, consumers who've always said like we want it cheaper. So then I mix chicory in this. Nothing else.
Yeah, I mean-
Only chicory. This is 5347 formulation.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Same flavors, but of course they'll be muter
Right. Okay.
with this. Like it doesn't have strawberry, you know. Smell this.
Okay. Yeah. This is the freeze dried one.
Yeah, this is what sells. Strawberry does really well.
This is amazing.
Thank you.
This smells awesome.
Yeah. Do you know this came yesterday? Fine.
Ooh, yeah. Okay. This is the packaging that they were talking about. The difference.
Yeah.
The others. Yeah. Nice. Looks so cute.
No.
Yeah. Nice.
I'm so excited to see it in person because all this while we are doing only mock-ups. Even I haven't seen it. This is your strawberry and this is your guava chili. So it's a pack of 5.
Yeah. And the day I arrived at my friend's place, they tried the strawberry and chili guava before I came.
अच्छा पुराने वाले
हाँ.
ओके उसमें बहुत शक्कर था पुराने वाले में तो हमको बहुत बैकलैश मिला था विच इज व्हाई वी रीफॉर्मुलेटेड आई एम कॉन्शियस ऑफ माय हेल्थ बट आई डिडंट नो एवरीवनस बिकम कॉन्शियस ऑफ देयर हेल्थ
Oh yeah, this is. I mean, the health trend is honestly taking up.
ग्रेट ना
A few moments later.
Then you'll say this sentence. But with my PCOS, कितना भी healthy खाओ, fat loss ही नहीं होता.
हाँ.
फिर I'll pull out and he'll enter.
Okay.
And he'll complete his life. Let me make this possible for you.
वर्क्स
So थोड़ा ये होगा एक ही अगर यहाँ करेंगे ना तो बोरिंग हो
नहीं
जाएगा.
नहीं
ठीक है. So it is you will be opening the fridge.
Yep.
वहाँ पे will direct you for the shots. कि because हमें horizontal भी लेना है, vertical भी लेना है.
Right.
तो alternate करने पड़ेंगे. Vertical के लिए भी we are shooting many shots.
क्या मैं देखूं उधर से कि मिरर में देखूं
You
कैमरा
can
में
look into the camera. Ready? Roll in and go.
I've been trying to lose weight for 2 years now.
Where am I throwing it? Or I'm not?
As of now,
you're either
picking up and giving the dialogue.
Okay, good. This is your main problem.
समझा थैंक्स हाँ बताने के लिए
अच्छा हुआ. चेक करें.
मैंने तो 2-3 साल पहले ही छोड़ दिया था ये सब
Wait.
बाय आज हमारे क्रिकेटर बेटे का बर्थडे है तुम इतना वॉइस नोट करते हो मेरी बहन को मेरी बुराइयां करते हो
These are your.
अच्छा हो और तेरी स्किन पे दिख भी रहा है ना एकदम इमीडिएट रिजल्ट
पूरा चला गया ना.
ओनली गिल्ट फ्री आइस टी अभी अभी तक माल नहीं मिला था ना हमको अभी मिला है तो
Zero sugar है.
एक्ने नहीं
Acne नहीं. Even C भी है.
Full on energy.
The amount of times he has to repeat this because we are shooting vertical, horizontal, lots of things are and every angle.
Z just had mom made it food and
What is this bhindi? बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. We have no idea how much I love bhindi and this is. दाल भी टॉप टियर एकदम.
I told him कि मम्मी वेज अच्छा नहीं बनाती है नॉन वेज उनकी स्पेशलिटी है
Why are you defaming?
No, I'm not defaming. I keep people saying because when he ate the cutlet, he was not ready to believe कि मम्मी ने बनाया है.
So good.
Our lunch is done. मैंने मम्मी का खाया है, जी ने भी मम्मी का खाया है, प्लस फ्राइड राइस रीत ने बाहर से मंगाया था और रीत तो ऑफ कोर्स बाहर का खाने के लिए रुका रहता है. सबने खा लिया है, पेट भर के सनी सो रहा है और यहाँ पे मेरी मंडली बैठी है. Oh my God! Look at this round table, khari, butter toast, clean plates, full stomach, happy everyone. Let's go.
They're going to Benny today.
Let's go.
What are you saying? Let's go. Who's
I
taking
have,
you?
you know, I've wanted to go since 2 months and not gone because you will come. So I will reserve that cheat day for the day you will come. I deserve that cheat day. Ask how many times she was going to call me and I was like, no.
But अभी by the time the shoot is done, everyone will be like, नहीं कल चलते हैं.
1 hour later.
Z is doing this pose now. He's also camera shy like Reet. This is a boy problem. Influencer boy problem. Videos बना सकते हैं, photos के लिए camera shy. Guys, I threw दाल वाला चम्मच on.
मुझे पता था मैं ऐसे करता था चम्मच आके मुंह में.
इतना जोर का लगता वो. We were shooting a meme video which you will see. I can't get over the dal throwing spoon.
वो आप बैठे हो उसके पीछे भी वो गिरा है वो ऐसे करके.
उसको ट्रॉमा हो गया है चम्मच और दाल. अभी हम लैब में जा रहे हैं गाइस. पीछे लैब आएगा. गाइस अभी जी और मेरी कैपेसिटी खत्म हो गई तो हमारा न्यू तू क्यों किया तू क्यों बुलाया उसको. ये देखो चलता हुआ इज लाइक एनर्जी आ गई मेरे में आइस टी पी के. दैट इज द कैप्शन ऑफ दिस. लुक एट दिस फोटो ऑफ माय गुडला बच्चा. ओके पोज गुड्डू पाजी.
What do you want? Fudge, here, fudge. Give you carrot, okay?
Good boy.
See this carrot? Yes, good boy. Carrot.
Good boy. Okay, Shoni. पाजी तो बॉर्न मॉडल है. फर्स्ट सिंपल शूट से.
बट 6:40 को अगर भी पहुंचोगे तो भी 2 घंटा है आपके पास.
Yeah, don't leave very early.
Actually मेरे को check-in baggage नहीं है तो फिर it saves.
Yeah, do Digi Yatra and just sail through. Yeah.
Digi Yatra तो I always do like.
Oh,
अभी
okay.
आजकल तो it's pointless not to. I was thinking to buy a full. So honestly, Shweta was like, you put this in check-in and get me a bag of mangoes. I think that's gonna happen. I'm like very tired of it. मैंने
वो किया होता मेरी माँ को बोल देते मैं oh shit yeah my mom would have got it full.
Later that same evening.
Alright guys 11:30 बज रहे हैं हमारा शूट 11 बजे रैप अप हो गया था. Z left at around 9:30 9 o'clock 9:30 he left. It was so fun to shoot with him. He's such a chill guy and he just mentioned to me that his wife wanted mangoes and he thought he would get them before leaving. But अब तो इतना लेट हो गया तो होगा नहीं. 10:30 बजे Z निकला और बोला अब इतना लेट हो गया नहीं होगा. बट मेरी माँ के इतने कॉन्टैक्ट्स है मैं बोली व्हाट आर यू सेइंग नहीं होगा यू गो टू योर होटल. मम्मी को मैं बोलती हूँ मम्मी ने एक फोन की मम्मी के फ्रूट वाले ने लाके 10:30 बजे रात को मेरे घर पे मैंगोज पहुंचा दिए. एंड आई हैव कम टू द होटल Z is at to give him the mangoes in my night suit and my shorts because that's important. If you're coming to Bombay and his wife wants Apos mangoes, of course she's gonna get Apos mangoes. आज the car has gone to warehouse and come तो पूरी dusty है. Here's your Apos am.
for this. Oh my god.
Of course. Shut up, you. Thank you. You couldn't come to Bombay and not get Aposam. Okay, I would feel. Yeah, exactly. Like when you said that, I was like, how can you not have Aposam? Are you mad? Now you have it.
Now I have it.
Now you take it and go. Thank you so much. It was so fun. I'll see you and Shweta next time.
Yes.
Give my love
yeah,
and mangoes. You want to be dropped or you want Benne dosa?
बंद हो गया बने 11:30.
11:30 बंद हो जाता है?
वाह पता ही नहीं था.
कितने बजे जाते हैं अपन यूजुअली?
11 बजे जाते हैं हम लोग.
Okay. Let's go. Chalo.
The next day.
Hey guys, I'm going to office today but I'm feeling extremely sick. कल बहुत हलावती हो गई और धूप में शूट करके गर्मी में वापस एसी में आ रहे थे बार तो गला मेरा बहुत गंदी तरीके से गया है. I'm having fever, I'm having body ache. Today is the launch day so I'm heading to office really late actually. I have lozenges in my mouth. I've not taken Combiflam yet. I might take घर जाके. I just finished the launch office जाके 3 बज रहे मुझे लेट हो गया ऑफिस जाने के लिए. 5 बजे का लॉन्च है बट सब कुछ रेडी है मुझे सब अप्रूवल्स देना है. ये देखो गाइस कल का जो ग्रीन स्क्रीन शूट किया था वो अभी लैब बन गया है. ये विदाउट ग्रीन स्क्रीन दिखा उन लोग कैसा दिख रहा है कैसे शूट किया और कैसे एडिट हो रहा है. ये ओरिजिनल था और अभी ये लैब में हो गया. अरे वाह सो फन. टेलीपोर्ट हो गया ये. हो गई रील एडिट. ओके दिखा दो. को मालूम भी है क्या?
किसी को नहीं मालूम है. They have no clue.
Did you notice anything different with our Instagram page? My social media manager who opens it every day.
Description.
हाँ और कुछ नोटिस किया तुम लोग ने Instagram खोलते हो तो? Yes. तो अपने को ट्रेडमार्क मिल गया. कितने ट्यूबलाइट हो तुम लोग गाइस. कोई नोटिस नहीं किया. मैंने 4 दिन पहले चेंज की. मैं रुकी थी कि कोई तो नोटिस करके बोलेगा कि सारा है. Okay, I have to say this कि this trademark is very difficult to get क्योंकि अपना नाम generic है. तो मुझे लगा था कि Impulse Coffees है तो मिल जाएगा इसलिए मैंने ब्रांड का नाम Impulse Coffees रखा था. और क्योंकि that was because I was impulsive when I started the brand. But since the last 3 years, Pulse Candy has been putting a case on us के objection ले रहे थे वो लोग. And I thought कि ये बहुत लंबा चलेगा क्योंकि लोगों को 10-15 साल बाद भी ट्रेडमार्क मिलते हैं. But हमको मिल गया है so. Finally, on the 21st of April, we got our trademark. The judge said that we should also trademark our product names like Mocha Pe Choka, etc. So hopefully we'll do that also. But now we have the name Impulse Coffees. Nobody can take it from us. It's a very, very big milestone, and it all feels like it's all falling into place at the right time. Today we've launched our guilt-free iced tea. We are on a new track to do something that no brand has done.
The next day.
Alrighty guys, I'm gonna end this vlog right here. It was so long, but I'm sure it was wholesome for you guys to watch. कितना कुछ हुआ इस vlog में. I'm unfortunately still not feeling better. अभी भी थोड़ा weakness है, but it's not as bad as a usual viral or flu. So I think it's just fatigue. I'm dressed a little pretty because it's Sunday and it's Pishu's birthday. It's his 5th birthday party जिसके लिए हम अभी जा रहे हैं. उसका birthday 24th को था, but 24th हमारा shoot था, plus उसको school भी था. तो 24th हमने कुछ नहीं किया. आज बच्चों की पार्टी है, उन लोग गेम जोन जा रहे हैं, खेल रहे हैं और हम केक काटेंगे फैमिली के साथ. So that's the plan. Our guilt-free iced teas are officially here. इतने vlog से मैं आपको बोल रही थी कि guys पैकेजिंग नहीं आ रहा, पैकेजिंग नहीं आ रहा, पैकेजिंग नहीं आ रहा, तो प्रोडक्ट नहीं बेच पा रही हूँ. Finally पैकेजिंग आ गया, प्रोडक्ट आ गया, and I'm so overwhelmed with the response you guys have given for this product. Honestly, like it's been 5x of what it was last year's iced tea, and that just makes me so proud that we took this decision to go sugar-free, because we never thought that people were actually that health conscious. But I love that. I love that all of us have become very conscious. We've started reading back of the pack. We've started reading the label. We've even done the lab certification for our iced teas. So जितने vitamins आपको इसमें मिल रहे हैं, उनका certificate मैं इधर भी डाल देती हूँ, and it's also available on the website listing. अभी तक हमने Amazon और Blinkit पे इसको list नहीं किया है because our website sales are only exploding and our projected inventory is selling out super quick. So we don't want to list on the marketplaces and then again go out of stock very quickly. It is a hot selling product in the summers. This is our strawberry iced tea. You get 5 strawberry iced teas here. If you are a sweet drink lover, अगर आपको मीठा पसंद है, then you will like this. You will feel like biting into a tangy खट्टा मीठा strawberry with this. It's not overly sweet because we are using artificial sweeteners. They are not that sweet. They do not cause sugar spike. They are PCOS safe, keto friendly and diabetic friendly. So if you are a diabetic or even if you're on your health journey or just any normal person, stop having your sugary iced teas and just switch to this. All of these sell at $3.99. MRP is the same for all the 3 packets, but guava chili is the hot seller, so there's no more discount on guava chili because guava chili is selling like hot cakes. It's the most loved one. It's tikhi meaty guava chili. So the chili kick is very slightly there in the last. We can't overpower it. Again, feels like biting into a fresh guava because we use organic flavors. That's the feeling you're gonna get. This is literally the feedback everyone has given me, every single person who's tried, and because of the vitamins you also feel extremely refreshed and energetic after having these. And we have our assorted flavor pack. This has been launched on popular demand by our customers. Everyone, when we launched those 2 in pre-orders, were like, where are the rest of them? Where are the rest of them? Why did you only do 2 flavors? And I thought people loved those 2 flavors the most, so they will only go back for those 2. But everyone was like, no, we want lemon, we want pineapple, we want blueberry. So I was like, you know what? We still have the packaging of all those, so let me still go ahead and do that. So we did the assorted pack also. Luckily in that case, हमारा packaging अब तक print में नहीं गया था, so we could add another design to the entire roll print, and we added this design. It's so cute. I love the packaging. Okay, honestly, this is my favorite packaging ever at Impulse Coffees because this is so compact to travel with. It doesn't crease easily. It's a very crease-free pouch. You just freaking put it anywhere. It's a stand-up pouch. वो खड़ा भी रहेगा कहीं पे भी. आप उसको बैग में डाल सकते हो, कहीं पे भी फेंक सकते हो, टूटेगा नहीं. It's not a glass jar. It's not an easy tear pouch. कितना भी जोर लगा लो, it's not easily gonna tear. Either you use a scissor or बहुत ज़्यादा जोर लगाया तो फटेगा. So in case anybody tampers with your parcel, you know the delivery guy has tampered because हमारे pack of 30, pack of 10 जो boxes है ना, उसमें से theft होने लगा था. नीचे से ये delivery partners नीचे से sachets चुरा रहे थे. तो we started shrink wrapping the whole thing. Like now if you'll see our entire box is shrink wrap, even नीचे से जगह नहीं छूटती है. So that we had to do. So that's something you come to know after you launch a product. Very, very hard to tear. In this you get 5 different flavor sachets. So you're getting lemon one, you get blueberry, you get pineapple, you get strawberry and guava chili. So it's a great trial pack if you have never tried our iced teas. They're all sugar free. They are all enriched with vitamins. This packaging was the old packaging. The new packaging design looks something like this. It will now be put into print because this packaging is all sold out already in pre-orders. अभी assorted pack just launched हुआ है, but already हमने माल मंगा लिया है. सारा packaging use हो गया है पुराना वाला. अब new वाली packaging भी चली गई है print में. वो भी पहुंच जाएगी. उसका माल भी आपको जल्दी मिलेगा. So if you'll order probably in the first week of May, you'll be getting the new sachet packaging. So either ways, अंदर का माल is the same. The outer packaging first used to not say sugar free vitamins and all because वो उसमें था ही नहीं. अब वाली packaging new वाली में होगी. Nice Americano of रात की रानी espresso because I'm not feeling well. ये पसीने आपको दिख रहे आ रहा है, मेरा बुखार उतर रहा है, तो I'm literally sweating. Wearing a nice summery dress. My mom got this from Manish Market. I want to say रास्ते पे से ही लाई होगी. मेरी mom की रास्ते की shopping is टॉप एकदम. मैं अभी जाती ही नहीं ये सब करने के लिए, मेरी माँ ही करती है, माँ मेरी. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you all will love sipping on your impulse iced teas when you all get them guilt free. Absolutely, I'm very confident in this product and I know कि ये एक बार ही नहीं लोग बार बार खरीदेंगे, इसलिए मैंने पैक ऑफ 4 और पैक ऑफ 8 के ऑप्शंस रखे हैं वेबसाइट पे. जो आप बल्क ऑर्डर करोगे तो आपको और डिस्काउंट मिलेगा, तो आपका पूरे महीने का स्टॉक आप खरीद सकते हो. इट्स रियली जेन्युइनली गुड फॉर यू. आई हैव बीन ड्रिंकिंग एट लीस्ट 5 times a week, तो I easily drink it now. It's like my coffee in the morning and my iced tea in the evening. So yay, finally, I'm so proud of this product. I love you guys so much. If you like this one, for a big thumbs up. For today's video, Sasko shout out goes to wo name Sharu. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be part of next year's Sasko shout out, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, bell icon right next to it. Also comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad. I just part of my next video, Sarah Squad shout out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.